Here's a quick look at what a customer invoice looks like in Pulse. First we go to the customer in question, and under Client Financials we go to Invoices. There we see a list of recent invoices. You can do searches for them, get full lists, or even export the list to Excel. Going into a particular invoice, you start by seeing the line items. This one has only one line item. And then in the different areas we can see the different relevant sections of the invoice. For instance, who it's supposed to go to and what it's related to, such as which sales order, which opportunity, and all the other parts of the Pulse system. You can have more detail than you normally use, and also attach things, as well as use any template you want. Here is an example template. This can be exported to PDF, Word or Excel. Here is the PDF example. You can also get Pulse to automatically email these to your customer attachments, and they can appear on the customer client portal where they can be paid directly using PayPal.